everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today this is my unboxing, what I got earlier this week. Some of the things I needed to return, so I had to take them out of the box with the things that came so I can return them, and other things I was just too excited and I wanted to see what they were and I wanted to look at. So let's get into this. This was not purchased, this was just handed to me. I went to Eucharistic Adoration a couple of nights ago, and some lady was there that I've never met before, and she was no longer homeschooling, and she had some homeschooling books that she was giving away, and I took this, and it looks really fun. I've never heard of it. Brighter Day Press. Apparently it's a Charlotte Mason inspired nature and art study company. They seem to have a watercolor course or courses that look really nice that are geared more towards K through 8. So maybe check them out if you're curious. I can do a flip through of this if you would like. The hardcover seems to be a little bit warped. It won't lay flat. Couple of journals, lined pages. These were on clearance. Thought they were cute. I might already have this one now that I'm looking at it. It's a bad glare. One of the ones I couldn't wait to start going through. This was the one I was most excited for. High School World Geography. Ooh, I'm already in love with this one. Swoon. This was also given to me by that same mom. Never used. I like figures after I bought all those other handwriting books, but that's okay. All the different page markers. So excited. So excited. And then Office Max is going out of business. Maybe that's just our location, might be a national thing. But I took the opportunity to get some things for my littles. Purse Kleenex. Everything was like 30 to 40% off. So I figured, why not? Because these don't ever last long. And these, everyone's always fighting over. These are pretty cool. We have another brand of these. They're fun. Those ones are washable so that if your child decides they're gonna write on themselves or the kitchen table or their sibling, you can clean it. Ask me how I know. Maybe I should. These are those like water wet flashcards. They're pretty cool. But you use a marker instead of the little water paintbrush, and then you just clean it off. And I thought my little 2-year-old would like that. Best watercolors for littles. I love these. Huge huge packs for just a few dollars of blank flashcards. I have 4x6s and one 5x8. Just to use. Masterbooks has some projects that they need the blank index cards for, and just anything else. Love these erasers. If you need erasers that do a really good job without breaking constantly, these are worth the money. And last but not least, figured I'd let my littles figure out how to use watercolor pencils, and they were cheap. A little bent up, but they were cheap, so if they break it, not a big deal. And that is my last unboxing. If you have questions about anything, if you want to see anything, I'm still going to post flip throughs because that's what I do. But if you want to see something in particular, let me know, and I'll catch you next time.